Hello, a very good evening and afternoon to everyone. So just going to take a recap of what we've seen this afternoon. It has been relatively quiet. In terms of European session, we did close in some minor positive territory for the major indices. Around the close, we did have market talk that the ECB is going to be pushing for a deposit guarantee scheme. This is not too out of line from the Financial Stability Review comments that we saw where the ECB said that the banking union should include a deposit guarantee scheme. But with this market talk and those comments, we saw moves to the upside in terms of US and European equity markets into the close, as well as the futures as well. So the E-mini S&P trading around its session high. We did print new session highs on the back of that as well. Now elsewhere, in terms of fixed income markets, we have seen the US Treasuries 3-year note auction today. Nothing too spectacular. Bid to cover was ever so slightly higher than the previous. Yields also slightly higher than they expected. Did cause a tail of around 0.2 basis points. And we also saw a move on breaking above the 125 handle in terms of euro-dollar. That looked to break out of technical range and also trigger stops to the upside. Have been hovering around that handle since then. Now, in terms of the energy market today, WTI crude futures did finish in some minor positive. Brent crude down in some negative territory. Just saw a bit of tightening in terms of the WTI Brent spread today. It is worth a note, we did see the Brent contract roll, which did add to a bit of downside pressure in today's session. Now, looking ahead to tomorrow on the calendar, we do have the German final May CPI reading. That's expected at 1.9%. We've also got the US retail sales and PPI numbers. And in terms of fixed income event, we've got Germany coming to the market with their 10-year Bund and also a bubble linker as well. So that's worth a note for tomorrow's session. After market today, we do have the API numbers. That previous headline crude, that did show a drawdown of 1.7 million barrels. So that'll be key going ahead this evening and also for tomorrow's early European session as well. But for the time being, that's enough from me. We'll have a bit of a look ahead for you tomorrow morning. But in the meantime, have yourself a very pleasant evening.